Here's an all stainless steel muffler system for the Viking 130 engine. This will also be available for the 150 engine. There's a reduction in weight compared to previous systems of 4 pounds. This one weighs just a little bit over 3 pounds. Here's how to install it. Alright, to install this muffler, obviously install the gasket and the muffler, the 4 nuts. Leave everything kind of loose for now. Now keep in mind, this is a slip fit setup, so you can move this quite a bit side to side and back and forth. Once you tighten this, you can still do it because right here in these two, there's a slip fit arrangement. Now, screw this in, back this nut off, screw this in. Might have to put 2 nuts on here to screw this in, jam them against each other, and then lock this against the case. Then set this at the right place and install your clamp that holds the bottom of the muffler like that. If it doesn't seem to fit, just move the muffler. Just grab it and pull one way or another, and it'll move into position. And then that goes there. Set the back nut the distance you want the muffler from the engine, and then add another nut onto that, and then tighten them against each other. And that's the assembly.